Hello guys, welcome back to another lit video. My name is Lauryn. If you're new here, karibu sana. To the returning subscribers, thank you very much. Ignore the ring light. I'm using natural light and I think I like this hairstyle. Aisha did it for me. I'll put the details down below so that you can as well reach out to her. So I want to step out for lunch with the family. It's Sunday. We like to go out and I'm going to my usual spot, CJ's, and that will be the plan, and then we come back home. So let's go. If you've not followed me on my social media, kindly follow me on Instagram. I'll put my details here on the screen so that you can go and search and also support me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as well. I'll see you guys when you're at CJ's. to show you the items that I got from Little More. I got this flour from Little More. It was less than 1,000 bob. So if you like this one, kindly run. I also bought this bathing toy for Chanel. You can screenshot and then you go get it. And then I also bought a toy for Gail, but unfortunately she's using it. She opened it in the car on our way back, but let me show you how it looks. So this is how Gail's toy looks like. It's a kitchen set, but she's still organizing. It's like a puzzle. She has to build this up. And I also got, we went to a pharmacy. We got some drugs, and we normally buy a separate mouthwash for me. This is the antibiotic. My baby is teething, so it's a bit challenging for her. We also got this mouthwash for Gail. You can screenshot it if you want your baby to smell fresh all day. This is for Gail. This is my leftover food from CJ's. I'll eat it later, probably after resting. So on Sundays, it's a chill out day. The whole house is messy, nobody cares. We are all chilled. We buy food out. We only do breakfast, and then we buy lunch and dinner. So we came with some takeout. We'll eat them in the evening, and then we can cook tea before we sleep. We normally like tea, chai nzito. Yeah, this is my usual pina colada. You can try it. It's very nice. So I'll see you in the course of this week. I'll be showing you how my week goes, a few bits of my hectic week as a stay-home mom currently, because I have a newborn. Hello guys, I quickly want to show you my weekly restock. And normally nowadays what I normally restock a lot is meat, milk, and some fruits, and some cereal for kids. So let me show you my weekly restock for this week, and then that will be it. Guys, if you've not followed me on my social media platforms, kindly do so. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. I want to do a reel, and then I post on my social media. I also update my daily activities on social media, so you can as well follow me so that you can be updated everything that I do, because you love what I do. If you love what I do, go and follow me. Yes. Here I have meat for bananas, Weetabix, strawberry flavor, cereals, Cerelac, wheat banana. We have this, we have 1, 2, 3. Weetabix, we have 2. Banana, we have a bun. If you've never tried this yogurt, try it. It's a real deal. This yogurt, and try vanilla. If you don't like flavors, try vanilla. So the yogurts, we got 3, and then we had pawpaw here. I had already cutted it and prepare for the baby. We have another one, and then we have oranges, mango, watermelon. Guys, I got this drug to boost Gail's appetite, and then I want to deworm her. I also deworm her using this medicine. So that's it. That's everything I've bought basically. And I also bought some grapes. I added there. If you've not seen my deep cleaning organization on the refrigerator, go check me out on, go check my social media, and then you'll be able to be updated. Yes, so this is everything I got. Let me organize it and then create a reel. Hi guys, you see this? I'm about to start my thingy. Baby, I give you my skincare routine one day. Once I know how to edit those vlogs, I'll give you guys my skincare routine. Hi guys, it's much later. Actually, it's at night. The babies are asleep. This is when I'm getting the time to shoot. I've already cooked dinner. Tomorrow I have a very busy day. I'll take you along tomorrow. So I want to end this vlog here, and then we start another vlog after this, immediately after this vlog. So I've packed a few things that I need for tomorrow. And then I have a few snacks that I've bought for the kids. I want to open that with you. And then after opening, I think we'll close this vlog here. and then that will be it. Let me give you an up close of everything that we bought. Water. Actually, I'm the one who prefers to drink cold water in the house, so I normally buy this and then I put in the fridge. And then we bought this juice for Gail. 1, 2, I think they're supposed to be 5. They were 6. She already drank 1. We bought this. I got this for Shanem to help feeding. I like this nice and lovely styling gel, so I grabbed one for myself. Royco cube. The only spice that I use. Sorry, I got this juice for myself. I want to try this one and then I'll give a review. I'll give you guys a review. Bought these chips, bought this, and then numbers. Okay, these ones are her favorite. And then we bought this. These are the original Manji biscuits. If you know, I used to like this way back from high school, so I decided to get them. I'm not a snack person, but I have to since I'm breastfeeding. I also got this ground nuts. I hope they taste nice. It's just I decided to try this brand as well. I hope it's delicious. Also I didn't have powder soap, so these are for Gail, and then the chocolate is mine. Yes, so that's everything I got, guys. Yeah, bingo. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. If this is the kind of content that you like, remember to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification. I'll see you guys on my next late video. Peace.